I have finally pulled the plug and bought a DIMO miner. A lot of you might ask, why would you buy a DIMO miner, especially at this time? Well, I believe there are still some huge profits that can be made with DIMO mining. If we go ahead and look at the DIMO chart, the token has surged as of late. And yes, this is because of the Coinbase listing, but that's not the point. This project came out early in December of 2022. And now, as we see, this project is growing day by day. I honestly believe in this project, and I believe in the use case of this project. And I'll explain exactly why I believe that. Before we dive deep into this project, I will appreciate if you like the content and subscribe to the channel as we do weekly videos on cryptocurrencies. Also, I would urge everyone that this is not financial advice. You need to do your own research and due diligence when it comes to mining in cryptocurrencies, investing, or even trading. Nothing is promised in cryptocurrencies. These markets can be very volatile, so please do not invest into something more than you can afford to lose. So when it comes to cryptocurrencies, there are certain ways that I like to operate. I am not a person that goes after 100x's, 300x's, 500x's. I'm not a person that goes into meme coins. I'm a person that likes steady and passive income. And that's exactly what I see with DIMO. You're not going to get rich when you invest in DIMO miner. You're not going to earn thousands and thousands of dollars. But there is a huge potential with this project when you look at their use case and what they stand behind. So what is DIMO? DIMO stands for Digital Infrastructure for Moving Objects. Vehicle owners use DIMO to get more out of their cars. DIMO apps allows them to collect, use, and monetize the data from their vehicles, which can be connected using the DIMO mobile app as well as the third-party hardware device. Developers and data consumers can build apps and services on stable, open platforms, reducing the cost of delivering better mobility products and services. New apps are being built every day on DIMO with the goals of offering cheaper car insurance, more efficient car maintenance and diagnostics, to cheaper auto loans, and they're really just getting started. Some notable partners worth mentioning that are operating with DIMO is Polygon Network. We all know what Polygon is. Chainlink. Chainlink is also another one that is very strong when it comes to data and oracles. Essentially, what DIMO miner is basically a device that collects data. It's plugged into your car's OBD port and it collects data of your vehicle. We all know that the world runs on data, views, and attention these days. The more eyeballs you can get on something, they will use that to sell products, to sell insurances, to sell financial services, and much more. And take that data and develop apps and products based on that data. So the device collects data from your car, such as your battery life, your mileage, your gas that you're using. So this is important data for, let's say, for a battery company, right? They can see exactly what kind of usage you're getting out of your battery, what kind of mileage you're getting out of your car. Even GPS tracking, if you opt out for that option. This is very important data these days that companies use. And basically, yes, our data is being sold every day. So DIMO made this product in order to collect data, and as a result, they would reward us back into DIMO tokens, or basically they're compensating you for collecting data from your vehicle. So a lot of you might think, okay, this is a pro or this is a con, and oh my God, why would you do this? Well, the matter of fact is, the truth is, these days, our data is being collected every day. Whether we like it or not, it's happening. Through our smart devices, through our phones, we are being tracked every day, and that data is being sold. So why not use this data from our vehicles and earn some profits from it if we can? So that's exactly why I'm investing $300 to get this DIMO miner. The mission is to be a driving force behind the future of mobility, a future where data shapes infrastructure, emissions are lower, roads are safer, and the life behind the wheel is way better. So drivers get to share the data gets used by the developers to develop apps and products, and we get rewarded in return. This device is not only useful for demo, it's also useful for us as car owners, where we can get the car's health and diagnostics check, fuel consumption, oil levels, battery health, and miles of range. DIMO's diagnostic helps you get the best out of your vehicle and basically saves us money in the long run, where we can get a full log of our car's activity, records of our full service history, and even get a car maintenance alerts. Another very interesting feature that is coming very soon is vehicle error codes, where we be able to see what kind of issue our vehicle is having and what kind of steps we need to take to fix the problem. Instead of going down to our mechanics or local auto parts store where we can have our check engine light red, we can basically see everything through the DIMO app. So this is a feature that is going to be very useful in the future. And please remember, DIMO devices are only capable with the vehicles from 2012 and up. So please do your research when you are purchasing DIMO and see if it's compatible with your vehicle. This is how DIMO Autopilot device looks like. A small device that comes with a cable that plugs into your OBD port and some Velcro where you can secure it close to your OBD port. I must correct myself because I mentioned earlier in the video that this device is only compatible with the vehicles that are 2012 or newer. But as we can see here on their website, it's all vehicles that are 2008 or newer. So if you have a vehicle that is 2008 or newer, your vehicle is compatible with this device. Shipping time at the current moment is 5 business days. So if you order this device, you will receive it within the next 5 business days. As we can see here, that currently the price of a DIMO miner is $369. Yes, it is a hefty price to pay, but I still believe that you can make this money back within few months, and then you can reap the benefits and the profits of this DIMO miner that it would actually produce. I use the coupon code of a fellow YouTuber where basically you will get 10% off of your DIMO miner. As we can see here, this is what I paid for the DIMO miner, $342, which I think is an amazing price for this particular miner. My final thoughts. So is DIMO miner worth getting? Well, in my opinion, yes, it is. And let's go ahead and do some math and see why. DIMO miner costs $342, and the recent rewards that all of my friends been getting is about $30 a week. So if we divide $342 by $30 a week, basically we are getting our ROI back within 11 weeks. This is actually why I'm getting this DIMO miner. Everything I do in crypto is calculated. If I can get my ROI back within 3 months, yes, obviously I'm going to invest in this project. Do I believe in this project? Yes, because hey, look, they are using our data, they are using our information, but we still get important details about our vehicles that is useful to us. So why not use it and get rewards for it? Please keep in mind that the past performance does not mean that we're going to get future profits. I do believe in DIMO miner, and I do believe that the future is bright for this particular project. So that's why I'm investing in it. But I urge you, if you're going to be investing in DIMO project, do your own research and see if DIMO miner is for you. We all know that these markets are very volatile, and who's it to say that this DIMO project cannot tank down to 5 cents again? Yes, this can happen. It can go from 18 cents to 5 cents again, but I'm willing to take that risk with this particular project. Hope you found this video helpful, so please remember to subscribe to the channel and follow us for more crypto content like this in the future.